Turn back eye. Sneezing on strangers, man. YungMooch, shout out YungMooch. Had to skip the vid. They want to spoil us. Let's go.
I'm about to sneeze on one of them. See how this go, y'all. Oh my god.
Hey, what the fuck?
You sneeze on me, bro?
Yeah. I can't.
Nah. Some wet just hit your neck out of nowhere. After a dude, you heard the dude sneeze, just random wet shit come out of nowhere. Even though it's really water, but come on now. No, he didn't do it. What you think he did?
I just like sneezing, bro.
Dude said I just like sneezing.
What you mean? No, yeah, I know where I'm at.
I will put my foot up your ass so far you be burping shit.
I think people always say, you know where you at? That's gonna do, dude. What that supposed to mean? What does that supposed to mean?
Hey, watch out.
Uh-oh.
Hey, watch out.
He grabbed his
shit. Good. Watch out. Yo, slide. Yo, it's a video. And we recording. It's a video. We filming. Alright, you good. Yo, slide, bro. Watch out. Alright, you good.
You say, yo, slide.
You good, bro. Hey, look, yo. Come on, let go. Y'all tripping. Let's slide.
That nigga scared as hell.
What the fuck?
Huh?
Why the fuck you do that shit? You just sneeze on me?
I'm a little, like, sick.
I don't give a fuck.
I'm a little, like, sick.
That shit nasty as fuck.
I'm sick.
Bro, get your ass on somewhere. The fuck?
Yo, she just turned up on you.
Bro, get your ass on somewhere. The fuck?
Damn.
Why the fuck you do that shit? That shit weird as fuck.
I'm sick.
I don't give a fuck.
Sick.
Oh, you tripping.
The fuck?
Oh, you tripping.
Weird ass shit, bro.
I was a little sick.
I don't give a fuck. That's some weird ass shit.
I can't control it.
Fuck no. Fuck.
Oh
Go
my
sneeze on somebody else.
You're tripping.
The fuck?
I ain't gonna lie. It was a spray. I was filming you. It was a YouTube video.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Nah, you good. We was recording you the whole time.
Damn.
You was being.
Damn.
Oh my god.
Damn, I'm sorry for that. Damn.
I understand. You okay? It's okay. I can get a hug from you, like a little side.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Does I get a hug from you?
I see this guy shopping. I'm about
Bro,
to
he
get
like he about to go off, bro.
Man.
He's just like a menace.
Hey, man, what's up?
Hey, man, what's up?
What's all that about?
What's all that about? It's all.
Me, bro.
What are you doing, man?
Where's your mask?
Come on, man, sneezing on me like that. Did your mama teach you lessons?
I can't sneeze on you?
No, man, it's COVID and shit. What's wrong with you,
Why
man?
What's wrong?
Because, man, you're doing this shit to me, man. What's wrong with you, man?
It's a little sneeze.
Yeah,
Relax.
whatever, dude.
It's just a sneeze.
Well, I don't give a shit.
It's a
whatever.
sneeze. You could go shopping.
I don't care.
Okay,
You go shopping.
I am.
Get the hell out of my fucking face, man.
What you said?
You heard?
What you said, bro?
You heard what I said.
Okay, you can keep shopping. I'm
No,
good.
whatever, dude.
He should spin back for it. He got to sneeze on him again.
Dude, what's wrong with you?
Alright, stop. Are you good, bro?
No,
stop touching me. Okay.
No, we're not good.
It's okay,
Alright,
okay.
okay.
Hey,
You
man,
good?
I'll make it through 2 months out of Iraq. I can take care of your ass.
Alright, you can stop touching me.
This guy. We gotta worry
I'm not
about
touching
niggas
you,
like
bro.
him.
Whatever, man.
Gotta worry
I'm not
about people like
touching
him.
Okay, I'm not touching
There's
you.
no offense to the people who serve, but like,
Yeah, you
dude,
good, though.
calm down. Like,
What?
Go some
you know what I'm saying? Like,
Bye. See ya.
Okay, you don't have to touch me, though.
Whatever. You know, I can't
Alright,
touch
you stop touching me, bro.
yeah, he one of them annoying ass
man,
old
man,
people.
shit.
Like, you annoying as hell. Your old ass old dad bod. Go work out, nigga. Focus on the wrong thing.
No, that's it.
No, that's it.
It's recording you. We're recording. You're on camera, fam. You're on camera.
Don't say where. He been doing nothing. That nigga been doing nothing. He ain't got time for that.
People sitting down. I'm about to go get them right now. No,
Why everybody always get the skull hand tattoo? What's up with that? Y'all like that? Y'all feeling that? I don't see myself doing it. But I mean, everybody can do their own thing, though. Everybody entitled to their own opinion. Right?
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Fuck, did you sneeze on me?
No, some wet just came off the ceiling and landed on you. No, some wet came off the floor and hit you. Some off the wall just out of nowhere. After you heard the sneeze sound, just landed on you. What the you think he did?
I'm a little sick.
You're sick.
I'm a little sick.
Yeah, you're fucking sick.
Huh?
You realize the sneeze don't hurt?
Yeah, I did.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you're sick as fuck. Like, exactly.
I'm a little sick.
Nah, bro, that shit's weird as fuck. You could have sneezed anywhere.
But my sneezes.
Nah, like, get the fuck. Yeah, no.
My
Fuck.
sneeze
Nah,
is
get the
clean
fuck.
though.
Nah, your sneeze is clean?
You said my sneeze is clean.
That shit's stupid as fuck, bro.
What you mean?
That shit, bro.
I can't sneeze on
That
you?
pissed me off. You can't sneeze on me. You just fuck. That's just nasty as fuck.
Okay, you don't gotta yell at me though.
Bro, no.
You wanna yell at me though?
So if I sneeze on you, it's gonna be cool?
Yeah, you look good, so I take it.
You. This nigga is weird. You're weird as fuck, bro.
What you mean?
So you look good, so
that
yeah, I'll
shit's so
take it.
fucking weird.
Calm down.
No, calm down. You just fucking sneeze on me.
Ain't gonna lie. We filming you. It's a video. Yeah. It's a video.
Bro, that shit.
It's a video the whole time.
That shit.
I apologize.
Nah,
Nah, it was a joke. It was a little
They
joke.
probably like college
No,
freshmen
no,
and
it was
shit.
a joke.
Why is I'm sweating? What
It was
the
a
fuck?
video, I promise. I wouldn't sneeze on you.
You wouldn't sneeze
I'm
on me.
sorry, I apologize. I get a hug.
No.
No hug? I see somebody shopping. I think it's a couple. I'm gonna go mess with this couple, y'all. I think they shopping.
Yo, what the fuck?
I can't. I like to sneeze.
Nah, bro, you just sneeze on me,
Are
bro?
you good, bro?
Nah, bro, what you mean? Don't touch me. Don't sneeze, don't. Hey,
Oh.
Watch out, you good, bro? Why'd you?
Watch out, you good,
sneeze
bro.
on me, nigga. What the
What
fuck?
you mean? I sneezed on you, bro? It's I sprayed. I didn't sneeze on you, bro. You good? It's a video. We was recording you, bro.
Hey guys.
I need all of y'all to leave my store now. Like,
I
everybody.
ain't sneeze on you, bro. You good?
Then why they gotta leave? If he allegedly got sneezed though, it's like damn, he can't defend. Like, come on, who wouldn't be mad at that?
Nah,
Like,
bro, you fucking sneezed on me, bro.
Nah, bro. You good? You good, fam? What's up, bro? You good? You good? You good, bro? You good, bro?
none of y'all.
Hey, y'all too. I'm gonna need y'all to stop recording.
See you.
I ain't gonna lie, her build kind of crazy. Not this chick. I'm talking about the last chick. So,
Good, bro.
like, I don't know. I just seen this build so many times, bro. It's like if I'm a woman and I low key kind of probably got this build, like, look at this build, y'all. Look at this build. Shout out So. You know, we know So used to her build, so I ain't stealing no lingo. You
Bro,
know,
you fucking sneezed.
I'm doing my own thing. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, bro. You good?
But look here, y'all. Look. Hold on, nah. We gotta really investigate this build. This build is crazy. Not in a good way. I'm not a bad guy. You know what I'm saying? I'm just, like, if I'm a woman and I got this build, I'm about to go tone everything up. I'm just gonna keep it wanted. That's me. That's all I gotta say. But we can go back forward, you know. We don't have to really sit here and investigate this build.
Stop recording.
I see a girl walking.
But yeah, that was just a
Might
little
get
quick summary. Shout out, So.
What the fuck? Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you?
My nose a little
Nah,
stuffy.
What the fuck is wrong with
Shit,
you?
nah.
You so damn close to me.
Yo, them 11's big as a bitch.
My nose a little stuffy.
Yo,
What's wrong with you?
bro, no, bro. Bro, no, bro. We gotta investigate them 11s. Them 11s are flatbreads. Them flatbread 11s. Them motherfuckers big as a bitch, bro. Yo, 11's big as hell. Bro, I'm not even trying to be that guy today. I don't know what it is, but damn, them 11's big as hell. Yo, she fucked up the fit, bro. She just fucked up, bro.
You know, pretty strangers.
Nah, yo, 11's weird as fuck. Fuck you mean?
Fucking sneeze on me or whatever the fuck he did.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Sneeze.
Wet mouth ass. The fuck?
I can-
No. Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Them 11s need to
My
be
nose
investigated. Them, like, y'all know what I mean? Them 11s need to be studied. Them is not her 11s.
I can't sneeze.
Pick your feet up. Big 11s wearing ass, nigga.
I can't sneeze.
Okay, they kind of look more normal from the side. They kind of look normal.
I'm doing a video. Look, I didn't sneeze on you. Look right there, all the way down. He recorded you. He recorded you. Yeah,
Okay, it look normal. I ain't gonna lie. From the front, you looked kind of
For
crazy.
sure.
I promise it was a
Okay,
little
for
tough.
sure. That's cool.
Yeah, I ain't
Okay,
mean
for
to.
sure, that's cool.
Yeah, I apologize. Look, look, you actually look good. Like that's why I told you it's a video.
Okay.
I get your number. I'm not gonna sneeze on you. I'm not gonna. I can get your number though.
Yeah.
Why you was backing up?
Cause that shit was weird. Like, what the fuck?
You said that shit was weird.
It was a little joke. I apologize.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I apologize.
That nigga goofy as hell. Shit. That was funny as hell. But them 11s.
India.
India.
Mm.
You look pretty.
Thank you.
Like, for sure, I get a little hug from you.
Okay.
Sure.
I ain't sick of nothing. Like, I'm a clean dude.
For sure. For sure.
So it was nice meeting you. I'm Malik, by
She
the
got
way.
brothers for sure. For sure. For sure. What you mean? You know what I'm saying? She got brothers.
Because the situation was weird to me. Like,
For sure. I get one more hug though.
no.
I've been waiting here. It's hot. Tired. So hot, y'all. Might spray some on me. So hot. I've been seeing some people, y'all. I don't know. I've been hot. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah, he finna go off for sure.
Yo.
Yo.
What's going on, man?
What's going on, man?
I'm a little sick. I like to sneeze.
So you're gonna sneeze on my neck?
I'm a little
You
sick.
gotta hold that in, man. Cover your mouth or something.
You know, hold that in, man. Cover your mouth.
I don't care if you're sick. Hey, you can get in there if you're sick. Don't be out here sneezing on people.
I like.
So you want him to go inside and sneeze on people? Yeah, that makes more sense.
Hey, get the hell out of here.
Hey, get the hell out of
Messing
here.
with you?
I can't sneeze on you.
No,
one time?
man.
Let me
No,
sneeze
man.
On you. Let me sneeze on you one time.
Hell no, I'm out of here.
What
No,
you
no,
mean?
I'm
I
outta
can't
here.
sneeze? I can't.
What'd I tell you?
What are you gonna do?
Relax. I'm a little sick, bro.
No, I don't care if you're sick.
What you doing?
You can go to the nurse's
What
office
you
if you're
doing?
sick. Don't be sneezing on people.
Okay, I'm a little sick. That's all. Bro.
I don't care if you're sick.
Dude, I'm a little.
Dude.
Hey,
Get out of here.
You gotta chill. I didn't know you were chill like that, bruh.
It's a prank. Look, I didn't sneeze on you.
I don't want to be on your TikTok.
It's a video. I didn't sneeze
You're
on
on
you.
TikTok.
It was a spray.
Oh, get the hell out of here.
You good? You sure?
Hey, man.
I didn't sneeze.
That nigga spraying water on people.
Yeah, you mad, bro.
Big shoe ass.
What the hell?
Big Evans wearing that. No, fake Yeezy boots wearing that. No, I'm just anyway, man. Look, y'all know that's gonna do it for the vid, of course. You know, I gotta get up out of here.